Some of you have been asking how I get perfect points in my quilt piecing, so here's a sewing report quick tip. Glue basting with Elmer's washable school glue. Only this variety because it's made up of starch, which washes out. I keep mine in a bottle with a fine tip. Let's take these 60-degree triangles cut using my Creative Grids ruler, squeeze out a fine line within your 1/4 inch seam allowance, and line up the triangles. Make sure to account for the seam allowance by offsetting your blocks by a 1/4 inch. Hit with a dry iron, then take to your sewing machine and stitch. Press the seam line to embed the stitching and fold and press toward the darker fabric. Okay, let's move on to glue basting rows. I line them up and apply glue at the intersecting areas first, trying my best to match up the points. Then fill in the space between. After sewing the row, press the seam allowance to one side. Check out these beautiful, perfect points. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and consider subscribing to the Sewing Report for sewing, crafts, and DIY videos.